What's up guys, welcome back to Rock and Roll. Today I am going to share with you how to make a delicious and most popular Italian dish, lasagna. If you have all the preparations ready, this is a very simple dish you can make at home. This lasagna is one of the most delicious dish I ever tasted. I am Robin Rocky from Nova Scotia, Canada. Let's rock this lasagna. First, let's prepare the ingredients. We will start by making a cheesy bechamel sauce. Heat 30 grams of butter in a sauce pot. When the butter is melted and start bubbling, add 30 grams of plain flour. Give a good mix with whisk. This mixture is called roux in culinary world. And when we start smelling a nutty aroma, add 300 ml of cold milk. The cold milk can incorporate well with the hot roux. That's how we will get a silky smoothie bechamel sauce. Keep whisking until sauce gets its right consistency. Next, add in pinch of ground nutmeg. Then add a 200 grams of ricotta cheese and 100 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And keep whisking. Here we go, our cheesy bechamel is ready for lasagna. Next, we will warm 900 grams of authentic ragu alla bolognese. Please find the link of this bolognese sauce recipe in the description. It is a delicious meat-based sauce in Italian cuisine. Now let's prepare our cheese blend. In a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of mozzarella cheese and 150 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Give it a good mix. This amount of cheese makes this lasagna super yummy. This is the express lasagna sheet which I am going to use for this recipe. This lasagna sheet is oven ready. That means doesn't require blanching. Before we assemble the lasagna, preheat the oven to 380 degree Fahrenheit. Spread a layer of the bolognese sauce on the bottom of the baking dish. It will grease the dish to avoid the pasta to sticking to the bottom. Place the pasta sheets on the top. Next, we will spread another layer of meat sauce. Sprinkle cheesy bechamel on the top all around the meat sauce. Followed by cheese blend. Then cover with another layer of pasta sheets. Repeat this process of spreading bolognese sauce, cheesy bechamel and the cheese blend. Place the final layer of pasta sheets. And now we will spread the remaining bolognese sauce. Pour the remaining cheesy bechamel sauce on the top of the meat sauce. Save the cheese plant for later. Finally, cover the dish with aluminum foil and place it on a large baking tray to avoid mess in case of overflowing. First, we are going to bake this for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes of baking, we remove the foil and add the remaining cheese blend. And bake for another 20 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. After total of 55 minutes of baking, oops, nearly went down. Our delicious lasagna is perfectly baked. Let the lasagna sit for 30 minutes or until the cheese is settled. There you have it, our delicious lasagna is ready to serve. Try this delicious recipe and give me your feedback in the comment section. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for joining me today and don't forget to subscribe for delicious recipes like this. And make sure to tap the bell icon for receiving notifications.